Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Zailiisky Traveler. Currently, those of you who've been following me, I am in Kazakhstan. I just arrived about 3 days ago, and today I'm gonna take you guys on an amazing experience because it's my first time traveling to the mountain ranges here, and I'm currently in a mountain range called Medeo, which is about 15 kilometers from Almaty, capital. It's amazing. I'm going to show you my view in a second, but if you haven't traveled to Central Asia, guys, definitely a must. I will say that it's not really a common area for a lot of people to travel, but especially the country of Kazakhstan. My first few days here, I've been impressed with the people, the hospitality, and just the sheer beauty of the nature. So please stay tuned, guys. Check out the rest of my video for this footage on the amazing mountain range called Medeo in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a little adventure today. I will be climbing to the top of the mountain that you see behind me, called Medeo, in the region of Almaty, Kazakhstan. Should be a fun adventure. Highly recommend this, guys. If you happen to come to Kazakhstan, you definitely gotta come to this mountain. The views are just spectacular. The video and photos don't do justice, but have to see it. So stay tuned, guys, for my footage from climbing to the top via the cable car. I'm waiting right now just to get on the cable cars, so it should be very interesting. Stay posted. This bad boy here, guys, and we're gonna head all the way to the top of this mountain. So it's gonna be exciting. It's approximately about $10, so if you're interested in price to get in here per person, so not a bad price. For the views and the ability to take some photographs, definitely worth it. There's not a long line right now. It's a Saturday morning currently. It's really surprisingly, I thought it would be a long line here, but this is the name of the location that we're at now, Medeo. Chimbulak. So cool. Check out this view, guys. Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a... Check out this view, guys. I'm like literally at the top of these mountains, and I was just informed that there's wild bears and wolves and wild animals here. If you decide you want to go hiking here, it's very dangerous, but people are doing it. And this is like the view, which is amazing. Awesome. We are at the top. Beautiful restaurant, guys, at the top of this mountain. But check out the views. This is the amazing part here. Views are insane. There's still more to go here. We just took a rest break, but we're not even all the way at the top. It's crazy. Traditional Kazakh outfit, guys. Check this out. Check this out, guys. It's June and the end of June, and it's freaking ice here. Snow. We're at the top of the mountain. It's just amazing. Yes. So we're mostly at the top of the mountain, and it is amazing. There's ice, there's snow here, and this is the end of June. And it's amazing. It's a nice hike. Check out this view. It's crazy.